Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota RAV4. In this video I'll show you how to disable and enable back passenger airbag. In the beginning, let's take a look at the car key. Now we have to eject the manual key. Let me do it. Now the manual key is ejected. Take a look at the passenger door jamb. Open it. Right here we've got this switch. Insert the car key to this switch and twist it between off and on. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.